Hi guys! Today we're gonna have some fun. We were cleaning up a house and found random stuff like this ball, and we were thinking about doing a cracked egg technique or the cracked egg technique like this with paint. And we got this tube, so the tower pour. And we got here something, and this is, I don't even know what it is, but it has holes in it. So we can pour on top of it, lift it off, up. I have no clue. We're just gonna experiment. I got some study canvases here, and let's see if we can have some fun and create something beautiful. First, I'm gonna make a white base on all canvases. Then we already have that going for us. So let's see, we're gonna do the cracked egg technique on this one. So I got this ball. Let's pour some color in it. I'm gonna pour here white. And in the other, I'm gonna pour a puddle. Blue. Primary. Blue. I have no clue what I'm doing here, guys, but just do it. And some Paynes gray. So I think I need to close it fast. Closing. So this is in here. Shall I shake it a bit? And now crack that egg. It went faster than I thought. Let's make a little design and tilt this. Okay. Let me torch it. So guys, what do we think? Is this a success? Not in my eyes. Let's go with the tower pour. Let's go with different colors. Let's go with violet. I hope this will stay. Magenta. Maybe a little bit of blue in there. Not too much. Let's go with some gold. And end with a little bit of white. I think this is more than enough paint. Okay. I'm gonna pour here also. Oh. Okay guys, the tower pour. Here we go. Okay, this is one purple story. That's crazy. Where are all the other colors? Where are they? Really? Okay. Oh, these cells are very beautiful, the structure is very beautiful. Okay. What shall I do with this? Shall I also tilt this a bit? Okay. Okay, yeah, this is very cool. Okay, yeah, tower pour is a success. It's not my style, but it's very cool. Okay, I think with this one I'm gonna do a Dutch pour on top of the whole paper and lift it off. Let's see what will happen. So I will put this here in total, like that, and just make a Dutch pour on this and lift it off. But I don't know if it flows, of course, because, yeah, well, we'll see. Okay, pour white around this. Needs to flow, of course. Okay, so I think there's enough color. What will happen if I take this off? How's it looking? Okay. Okay, that's funny. This looks pretty though. Okay, yeah. 3 new techniques. Well, that was something different that you see in my channel, but this was so fun to do. Such different results as well, but this one was crazy. It was all purple and then some pink came up, and now these cells with the yellow and what is it, turquoise? What did I use? I think the primary blue. This one is very cool, and also I love how this is looking. This is beautiful. I would buy a vase like this. This one is, well, it's okay, you know, but yeah. Okay, epic fail. But now you know, guys, don't do this. Yeah, it was fun. Let me know what you think, guys, and I'll see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell.